can I ask my viewers one request? Can you please, when you comment on this video, don't be subjective, be objective? And I'll explain. If you're going to be subjective, you're going to be more into the emotions of things. You're going to be all caught up in it and passionate. If you're objective, then you're going to just look at the logic and the facts only, and that's it. It's not going to be about your opinion. It's not going to be about your feelings. It's just going to be about what's going on in the facts. Because this is important. Because we're talking about an iconic coin that the mint might stop making. And it might even end up being the nickel too. And I have some takes on that. I see some logical fallacies and some fear-mongering in the comments of my last video on this. So I want to address those. My name is Daniel, and you're watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. Let's talk about how eliminating the Lincoln cent will either hurt us badly or have no effect at all, or the effect will be negligible. I am a bit in disbelief at the arguments against eliminating the cent. It's one thing to say, I don't think we should. I like collecting them and I think we need them. I want them. It's quite another to make assertions and accusations and make it political. And a lot of this is obviously not well thought out and seems to come from sources that don't know what they're talking about either. And I hate to say it, I did not want my video about the Lincoln cents becoming so political in the comments. But, I went with it. I did it too. But one thing about it is the cent, if it's costing that much money, and that is a lot of money regardless of the people that said it wasn't in the comments, it's only part of the iceberg, but it is a lot of money. I did a video on $5 million coins. That's a lot of money. And then when it comes to the government saving $85 million, that's nothing. But it adds up. We'll be getting into the billions, maybe even $1 trillion. The thing is, if we can save money, we need to do it because it will help us in the long run. Decreasing national debt decreases inflation. Economics at play. Anytime we can free it up, we want to do that. But there's something about the cent. This is funny because I'm a retail business myself, and I was going through all of my books that I bought from Whitman Publishing, and I'm putting those books up on the website, stocking the website. I have to get pictures, and then I have to put the pricing. I have to look at how much it costs me, how much I want to mark it up, and what price I want to put on it. And I kept going to $18.99, $25.99, $23.99, and I was sitting there thinking about this. This was going on through my head. The comments that people were making, that businesses would have to raise prices from $19.99 to $20, and they would make a bunch of money, and it would cost the taxpayers and cost us billions of dollars. Let me tell you something. If that was the case, they would do it right now. They would not wait. They would have already done it. Why would you not round up if it's going to make you more money? And the reason why that's a flawed logic is the fact that it would have already happened if that was going to make them more money. The fact is, businesses actually make more money by making it look like it's not $20 when it's only a penny off or a nickel off. They don't make more money by putting $20 on something or $10 on something. They make more the opposite way. That's not going to change. That's not going to cost us more money. How many times have you brought pennies with you to the store? You get the pennies, you put them away, and they're gone. So the government has to keep making them and keep making them because nobody wants to spend them. The bottom line is, if penny production stops today, as I said in my other video, there is enough pennies for everybody in the entire world, and enough for two to go all the way back to the beginning of mankind, according to that article, but that might have been an exaggeration. But there's enough pennies for everybody out there. They're not going to confiscate, melt, and eliminate every penny that's out there in jars and drawers and boxes and wherever else they're at, in the rolls at Brinks and storage. They're not going to do that. They're just going to stop making it to save the money. I don't understand all this. It's going to go to hyperinflation. That it's going to make businesses billions of dollars. It's going to cost us money. It's not going to do that. That's not how it works. Businesses make more money by having 1999 and 1995 and the like. And if you're using a credit card, it's not going to matter. Then on top of that, if I go into a store, pick up something for $19.99 because I think it's a bargain, it's not $20 because my psychology kicks in or whatever it is. And then I take it to the register and they charge me a sales tax on top of it. So it's not $19.99 anyways. I didn't save a penny. And so I don't understand the logic. You know, we need to eliminate all the waste in our government, and if the penny's one of them, the nickel's one of them, then let's eliminate them. I mean, the thing of it is, they do make money on the rest of the coins that they make. Those are the only two it's costing. But if they eliminate that, that would be money that could go into the general fund. It's part of the whole process, part of freeing up money, part of freeing up waste. I mean, I just think eliminating a penny is, I'm 100% in. I don't see where it's going to affect us, it's going to hurt us. I mean, all the logic that I've seen, I've read through the comments, I've waited days to do this video, and I don't see it. The logic is flawed. The penny is not beneficial only in a couple small instances when if the mint's doing some type of little funds, they do the penny thing. But there's already plenty of pennies out there. Maybe this will force people to bring the pennies forward or sell them or hoard them more. I don't know. But the bottom line is that it's something that we will weather really well. It will not hurt us in such a way that we're going to have hyperinflation or it's going to cost us more money. Anytime we can save tax dollars, it will affect us in a good way, not a bad way. All that money is not going to go to businesses. I wish that people could just do the logic thing. I wish people would not be so subjective in their opinions. You gotta go to the logic and leave the emotions out of it. Now I'm gonna talk about the penny still. You know, it's something that's been around from the beginning. You know, but we're always going to have it. All the pennies that's ever been minted will remain unless someone stores them wrong and they go rotten. You know, like the zinc rot, or they somehow get lost. But they're going to remain. So we're still going to have billions and billions of cents to go through. You couldn't go through even part of the mintage, even 1 year's mintage in a lifetime. So there's pallets and pallets and boxes of cents out there for everybody, along with the ones that have been collected for years, the 1793 all the way up to now. Every one of the large cents, they're all being kept and stored in inventory and people's collections. So we're always going to have those. And unless somehow we increase cent collectors by 100 million, I don't see there being a problem with collecting the cent on top of everything else. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.